Now, unfortunately, ICI was created, I would imagine, as an urgent matter. Kulang sa budget, walang budget, nasa diary yung budget, wala sa amin. Ganun sitwasyon ba? So, what we wanted to convey was ICI as it is today does not have enough powers to be able to execute as quickly as we can what we need to do. And that's why I am appealing to members of Congress, both the House and the Senate, ipasa nyo na yung IPC, or Independent People's Commission at the Senate level, and the ICAIC, which is at the lower house version. They committed that they will pass it before the end of the year, so hopefully by the end of the year, you will now have a much stronger independent commission with proper powers and authorities that ICI does not have. Now,